In the 75th year of independence, India proudly unveiled a new parliament building constructed by its own people, representing the culture, pride and spirit of the entire nation. The inauguration of the new parliament building on 28 May 2023 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi marked a significant milestone in the nation's journey towards efficient governance and progress. This modern architectural marvel stands alongside the existing Parliament House, creating an ensemble that reflects the aspirations of 1.35 billion Indians. The new Parliament building of India stands as a symbol of progress and efficiency in the nation's journey towards efficient governance. The decision to construct a new building was driven by various factors that rendered the existing Parliament House inadequate. The current structure, commissioned in 1927, had undergone multiple modifications over the years to accommodate the growing parliamentary activities, resulting in distress and overutilization. One of the primary reasons for the new building was the insufficient seating space for members of parliament, MPs. The existing structure was not designed to accommodate a bicameral legislature for a fully fledged democracy. With the expectation of a significant increase in Lok Sabha seats after 2026, it became necessary to create a spacious seating arrangement. Additionally, the limited space posed security risks during joint sessions. The deteriorating infrastructure of the old Parliament building was a major concern. Over time, added services such as water supply, sewer lines, air conditioning, firefighting equipment and CCTV cameras led to water seepage issues, affecting the aesthetics and structural integrity. Fire safety also emerged as a concern. The new Parliament building addresses these issues with state-of-the-art infrastructure and advanced safety measures. Outdated communication systems in the existing structure required upgrading. The new building incorporates modern communication infrastructure to facilitate seamless information exchange and connectivity. The acoustics in all the halls have been improved to ensure clear and effective communication during parliamentary proceedings. Safety was given paramount importance in the construction of the new Parliament building. The old structure was built when Delhi was classified as Seismic Zone 2. But it is now in Seismic Zone 4, raising concerns about structural safety. The new building has been designed to meet the latest seismic codes and incorporates robust safety measures. Inadequate workspace for employees in the old Parliament House was another pressing issue. The new building addresses this by providing spacious and modern work areas, creating a conducive environment for efficient functioning. The construction of the new Parliament building reflects the Indian government's commitment to safety, sustainability and efficient governance. The old and new Parliament buildings will function together, facilitating smooth and efficient operations. In conclusion, the new Parliament building of India represents a significant milestone in the nation's journey towards efficient governance. With increased capacity, improved infrastructure, advanced technology, and a commitment to safety and sustainability, the new building paves the way for enhanced parliamentary proceedings and better decision-making. Thus, the new Parliament building of India stands as a symbol of national pride and unity, embodying India's commitment to democratic values.